Ever wondered what would happen if you opened your helmet in space? Imagine yourself floating out there in the infinite expanse, stars twinkling against the inky blackness. Suddenly a thought strikes, a curiosity, a question. What if you just pop open your helmet? Intriguing, isn't it? Today we're going to delve into this very scenario, exploring the consequences of exposing oneself to the harsh vacuum of space. So strap in, space enthusiasts, as we prepare to dive into the mysteries of space and the importance of a helmet. Imagine being in the vast vacuum of space. Your helmet is your lifesaver. This isn't simply a figure of speech, it's a reality. The helmet is a critical piece of equipment for any space traveler, serving a dual purpose. Firstly, it provides a controlled environment for you to breathe. Space is a vacuum, devoid of oxygen. Without a helmet providing a regulated flow of oxygen, you'd be gasping for breath in no time. Secondly, the helmet protects you from the harsh conditions of space. Space is not only devoid of air, it's also filled with cosmic radiation and extreme temperatures. The helmet shields you from these elements, ensuring your survival in this inhospitable environment. The helmet also offers protection from micrometeoroids, tiny particles traveling at high speeds that can cause significant damage. It's like having your personal fortress, guarding you against the unforgiving void of space. Without a helmet, survival chances drop to zero. But why is that? Now, let's examine what happens if you dare to open your helmet in space. Imagine this, you're floating in the vast expanse of the cosmos, shielded from the harsh reality of space by the confines of your suit and helmet. But what if, in a moment of curiosity or perhaps sheer bravado, you decide to crack open your helmet? Just a smidge. Let's dive into the immediate consequences of this action. Firstly, you'd experience rapid decompression. Now, space is a vacuum, devoid of air or atmospheric pressure. The atmosphere within your suit is pressurized, quite similar to what you'd experience on Earth. The moment you expose that pressurized environment to the vacuum of space, it would rush out violently. You can liken this to taking a balloon up to the stratosphere and then letting it go. The balloon would expand rapidly and then pop, but don't worry, your body wouldn't exactly pop like the balloon. It's resilient, but the sudden decompression would still have some serious effects. This brings us to the next point, the sudden lack of oxygen. The moment your helmet opens, your oxygen supply would be cut off instantly. The vacuum of space doesn't have breathable air, folks. Your body would use up the remaining oxygen in your blood and you'd probably remain conscious for about 15 seconds. After that, you'd be out cold before you could even start to comprehend the gravity of the situation. Let's visualize this terrifying scenario. Imagine being in the vast, silent expanse of space. Suddenly, your helmet is opened. The vacuum of space doesn't waste any time. Within a fraction of a second, you're exposed to a world with no air pressure. The oxygen in your body starts to expand, leading to a condition known as decompression sickness, or the bends. It's quite similar to what deep-sea divers experience when they ascend too quickly. Simultaneously, the lack of oxygen would lead to a swift loss of consciousness. In less than 15 seconds, the lights would go out. The horrifying reality is that space is an incredibly hostile environment for humans. That's a sight no one would want to experience firsthand. So opening your helmet in space? A terrible idea. We've journeyed through the terrifying possibilities of what could happen if you did, and it's clear that the helmet is not just a fashion statement. It's an essential life support system, providing oxygen and protection in the unforgiving void of space. The consequences of exposure are severe, from rapid decompression to oxygen deprivation. It's a chilling reminder of the inherent dangers that space exploration entails. But it also underscores the marvel of human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge and discovery. In space, your helmet is not just a piece of equipment, it's your lifeline. If you enjoyed this journey into space, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more space-related content. Let's continue exploring the universe together, safely from our screens.